Welcome back to swordswords.com. Today we are featuring two of our ultimate sharpening stone. We have them in two different size, a large version, small version. As you can see, this one here, each features a fine grit, or you can have it in a coarse grit. Now, basically, to sharpen something, if something is very sharp or you want to sharpen it more, you want to use the finer grit. If something is dull, you want to use the coarse grit. Now, you want to stroke the knife. If it is sharp already and you want to sharpen it more, you want to stroke it in one direction. And that's how you would sharpen a knife with our awesome knife sharpening stone. Use our sword sharpening stone to sharpen your survival knives. We do have them in military style knives. You can sharpen these military knives. We have Bowie knives, you can use them. We even have spring assist version knives you can use these knives for. Very easy to use. These stones are also great for sharpening swords. You might want to check us out on swordswords.com for more selections and more great products.